Compared to the regular alarm clock, ours comes with 3 updated wake-up modes: loud buzzer, strong bed shaker, or both buzzer and shaker. Simply press the button to choose your favorite wake-up method. This is a perfect assistant for waking you up on time, ideal for deep sleepers, hearing impaired, and the deaf people. The brightness of ours is adjustable. You can change it to low light in the evening or completely dark. When dimmer is off mode, the red indicator on top will stay on. You don't need to worry about the glare of the lights affecting your sleep. The volume of ours can also be selected with 7 levels. This will wake you up on time you are a deep sleeper. The time display of our support both 12/24 S-time format and DST function. You can switch the time display mode according to your reading and living habits. This is ideal for bedroom, living room, home, and office. You will fall in love with this when you get it.